video we are going to discuss about the income from house property. Okay, once the information already given in this problem, based on this given data, we are going to calculate income from house property. Okay, so the formula for income from house property. Is equal to net annual value minus deductions. Deduction under section 24. This is the formula. Based on this formula only we are going to calculate the house property income. Okay. So first step number 1, we have to find the NAV, that is net annual value. So find this net annual value. We are going to calculate the formula is GAV, gross annual value minus municipal tax. So this is also one of the formula. We find the net annual value, that is GAV minus municipal value. Now we are going to calculate the GAV, okay, gross annual value. So once we have to find this GAV, we have to consider these rental value. Okay, so the first one is, it is a MRV, that is municipal rental value, FRV, fair rental value, then SRV, that is standard rental value, then the rent is per month they are given. Okay, but under the income tax act we are going to calculate the tax purpose. We have to calculate multiple by the 12. Okay, because of they are given per month rent received by the Mr. Arjun. Okay, actually we have to calculate yearly, so that's why we have to take 25,000 multiplied by 12. Okay, so based on this information we have to calculate. Now it is a GAV, gross annual value. The first step we have to take the MRV, that is municipal rental value. That value is 2,80,000 per year. Okay. Next one is we have to take FRV, that is fair rental value. The amount is 3 lakh. Okay. So now we have to compare MRV with FRV. So based on this, we have to take whichever is higher. Okay. So that is, under this problem, the FRV is the highest value. That is a 3 lakh rupees. Now again we have to compare with the SRV, that is standard rental value as per the IT Act. That is 2,90,000. Okay. So now we have to compare FRV with SRV, whichever is lower. Okay. So under this problem, the lower amount is SRV, that is 2,90,000 is the lowest amount. Now the next step is, now we have to again compare with the actual rent received by the house owner. That is a 25,000 per month they are given. Okay, but we need to calculate yearly. So 25,000 into 12. So the answer is 3 lakhs. Okay. So the actual rent received by the owner is 3 lakh. Now you have to compare with standard rent along with the AR, that is actual rent, whichever is highest. So highest is 3 lakhs. Okay. So now the answer is GAV is 3 lakh rupees. Okay. So GAV is equal to rupees 3 lakhs. Okay. So we found the GAV. Next step, we are going to calculate the municipal tax. Okay. So the municipal tax already given in the problem is 30,000. Okay. So now we have to calculate the NAV. NAV is equal to GAV minus municipal tax. Okay, so the GAV already we found, that is the 3 lakh rupees minus municipal tax, the given in the problem 30,000. So now net